What we're going to cover next is how to take your photo and use Google Classroom to complete your assignment. Now, once you actually send your photo to Drive, once you give it time as well, it should be in there. If it's not in there, let's try it again, or just give it a little bit more time to make sure it actually uploaded. Now, you can hopefully also change the title here. There's many different ways you can change that title. But, see, here's my example. Here's one I already sent with my practices. But here's one I sent that I didn't change the title. You simply can click on the title, double click. It should hopefully bring up a dialog that you can actually go in and change. And just like changing our title on our phone, you can make sure that you have that JPEG. Save it, and there's your change. Now, if we go to Classroom, my view is different than yours, but you're still going to click on the main name of the assignment, and you should see instructions. Now, this is where it's going to differ. You are going to be seeing the landscape drawing 1, which is the description of the assignment, and then you're going to be seeing the video game landscape rubric and artist statement. For the video game landscape rubric, you're going to be self-assessing, and you'll actually be having a copy of this yourself. When you click on it, it will actually take you to a brand new page, which will open your copy. This is yours, and you are going to be taking it and self-assessing. So remember, you're going to be either highlighting, bolding, or changing the color of the text to tell me where you are on the rubric. So that might mean I change the whole box color, and if I don't like it, I can always go back and change it to transparent, or I can actually change the box color itself. Please don't do yellow. But if you don't like it, hit the back arrow, and you can go through and do them all. Now let's say I've done that. I think I am fairly proficient in this assignment. I have some things I need to change. You're going to highlight, and then you're going to pick where you fall on this scale. So I feel I'm proficient. And don't do highlight, because that highlights the whole entire box and that doesn't help us. Also, don't do background color, because that also, boom, does the whole box. You're going to probably want to either underline, bold, or italicize. But once you have yours picked, go to Novice, hit Return, and then from here you're going to type your explanation for your successes and areas of improvement. So I feel I did well on use of my rule of thirds. It really sets up my picture well, and I think I could have done better on my use of color. There's always something that you can change and always something that you feel successful, even if it's tiny. But that will automatically save. Now, for the artist statement, this is where we get tricky. You're going to need to make a copy first. So if you go under File, Make a Copy, it will make a copy into your Drive. Change Copy Of to your last name. Can be capitalized if you want. Doesn't matter. Hit OK. That will create a new window with your copy, and this is your version you're doing. This will also automatically save. Read through the directions, and then once you're done, you're going to be uploading your picture, your rubric, and everything else in there. If we have trouble with it, I'll be around.